I did were probably like
really interesting.
She sees it all for sure. But I don't know how often she sees this.
Keep that one hanging on your wall.
Probably not.
real. We have a brand put it right here. I'm gonna step on it.
Came out here and helped when
Pretty wicked.
Give you another female copper one. I just gave it.
We might need a sawzall again, but let's see where we go. It's a whole lot of heel, dude.
Don't be giving that stuff to my
She's
dog.
got a new bone. We bought it at the
She's
farm.
gonna chew on it like 2 times and then leave it somewhere.
Antler chew.
She'll love that thing, dude.
Well, she chews on the little one. I mean, when I was Joe's house, I was trying to watch this.
Yeah, usually there's a dog underneath the farrier all the time.
That nice.
Yeah, she does nice.
Eats everything except dog food.
For
Yeah,
real.
had the same thing of dog food in her bowl for about 3 days.
Because she eats everything else. For her dog food. I think she gets it in Coda's meals though.
Probably. At least in a bowl, not from her hand.
I'm surprised Coda hasn't ate her yet.
Oh,
Dude,
Coda protects her, dude.
Dude,
Really?
Coda loves that little thing.
Really?
Her and Coda chill like all day together.
You see Coda, you'll see Sage coming a little bit after her.
oh yeah.
And
She's her bodyguard.
you'll see when they're
Holding
on
us
the
back
deck,
big for
Coda will be
nothing.
laying on the edge of the deck, Sage will be laying on the ground right below her. They'll both be looking at you.
Chico, I really like Sage, I think. She plays just nice with her too. She doesn't even be mean to her. She's just kind of like,
Sage was such a little pushover though. If somebody were to try to attack us, she wouldn't even do anything.
what is she gonna do?
Try.
Grab their little pant leg and start pulling on it. Distract them at least. Huh?
Dude, that one day, oh, dropping sand on him. That one day I was walking, she was chewing on my pant leg, she was running between my legs and whatever, and I stepped forward, she fucking went flying.
Here.
Huh?
Wait, on the step?
No, I was walking and she walked in front of me and I, like, picked up my leg to walk forward, she went flying.
Sometimes go down till like 10 o'clock, bro.
Yeah.
Bedtime for it, something.
She's a little cute thing.
Get some food and just sleep. Do you think you can feed that slip for me this weekend?
Yeah.
Just gonna need one of them cards.
Nay.
I just get paid in number 9s, me.
Bring you back some on
free.
Sunday.
I mean, that's not that worked out. One for each day.
Yeah, I think that's
7:15,
just cold and
7:20,
get
and
back.
7:30.
Or 2 breakfast number 1s.
Number one's a CT.
He really knows your orders.
But he's getting all 4 feet trimmed, right?
Dude, first time I went to fucking McDonald's with these guys last year, fucking whole table was full. 3 of them, 4 of them.
Get started on those other ones, man. Get in there.
We'll pay you.
Yeah, start with a hoof pick and
I got a nip
clean out your mess. And
Those are shoe pullers.
Are these shoe pullers? I don't really
Them
know.
little ones, yeah. Oh, that, yeah, them.
There's one right there. Is that?
Looks brand
That's a half round, but those will cut, yeah. But the Gabby leaf. I can go grab. I have some.
Take the wall off.
yeah, I thought she was watching. Oh, they're over there. Well, I only got 1 more minute on this battery.
You got the highlight.
You know how you do it. I don't clean up the plugs too much. I just take the plugs out.
Yeah, that's fine. No problem. We're not
Has it been about
really
5
just wanted to
minutes
get
since
this
the
done.
last one?
Yeah, it's
Down here, they step on
7:35.
rocks and they'll
So it was 5 minutes ago?
Uh-huh.
the top.
I mean, he's on like a 5-minute schedule. Number 4.
Well, I mean, I don't need to trim off 4 of these feet. Just wanted to get this. Because his quick is growing out. We need to get his heels back down to here.
Yeah.
But I think he'll bleed if I do right now. And it's also a lot of change, you know? I can try it, but I have a feeling like I'm gonna hit blood if I go any lower, and I'm gonna lame him up if I go any lower, but he needs to be down here.
Yeah.
Really, really like, probably he needs like that much more foot gone.
So I'm gonna sell him in like a week.
You gonna sell him?
Yeah. I have no use for him, so.
If he's half broke, he'll make a dude horse.
Well, somebody wants to put the work in fixing his foot.
His foot would look okay if he just got trained regularly.
Yeah.
No, this one's not even that bad. They're taking it off
But
this
you
one.
can't let a foot like this go more than 6 weeks without a trim. And right now, he needs a trim every 3 weeks, you know, to get that back down.
So if you trim it more often, was you gotta get it down to normal?
I think you could get him not ever normal because he's always gonna have, but you could get him almost okay, you know.
It's got a lot of it. It's good. But have to put a bunch of this out. This way. No, take that back.
I saw a horse cut their leg there, but it was a little higher.
Hey Doc, where you live, I'll come see you every 3
Must have hung
weeks.
it over the head.
Oh, wait,
Yeah.
are you
I have to knock him
But
out
not-
every time I trim his feet.
Never.
I don't know, the last guy trimmed him without
So
doing
we both
anything,
get
but it's pretty hard to find anybody close to trim.
Yeah.
Yeah, that old mare's known more than I am. That mare's always buckets me. Never stop bucking.
Never stop bucking her.
Got rid of her and I got some good.
I heard there was possible.
Here comes some horses to the sale. No buck.